In today's video, we will discuss the applicability of email templates and how to create them in Leon software. First, we need to go into the admin panel, Email Templates. Right here, you have the different email templates for different applicability throughout the system, where you can set up your most commonly used documents. You can use the default templates, as well as customize them, rename them, or delete them. By clicking on the empty space, you can also edit the color of the documents. Now, let's focus on creating a new type of document. For example, we can use the email template for checklist items for ops or sales. Now, let's add a new template by clicking on the button in the lower left corner. Here, we can choose the email template type. The checklist item can be added to the leg or to the trip. Let's focus on the leg. Here, you can name it as you wish. Now we're presented with a possible email template with the subject, body contents, and available data. The subject is predefined. However, if you know how to tweak PHP programming language, you can redefine everything presented here. Here are the marks of data that is being installed. We can gain the data from available data on the right side. Here we have the body, where we can work on the text. We can switch to the HTML format. Here we have recipients, where you can define the sender and the reply to. We also have copies and hidden copies. On the right side, we have the trip, as well as the available data, where we can change the trip that the preview will be based on. We can also attach the files which will be added to the email when the template is used. Lastly, we can upload the images that will be used in the template. Once we're done, we have a name checklist. Its applicability is in the checklist configuration when we have the administrative rights of the system operate. Go into the checklist configuration, and where there are no predefined functions on the checklist item, we can click on the gear icon on the requesting column. Here, we can have the document template added for us, as well as the mentioned checklist item added to the email template, which will be stored in the checklist item to send documents out of the system whenever we need and customize it.